Welcome back to Farm and Culture. Today I wanted to share with you how to brew butterfly kombucha. Now this is definitely one of our most popular flavors at my kombucha bar, and there's a couple reasons for that. Obviously the color is amazing, so when you're done brewing it's this beautiful purple, and then it has a really nice light flavor too that is just really easy to drink. It's definitely just a low flavor, smooth kombucha. This is a great example of how to flavor kombucha by using different teas. If you watched my other video where we kind of discussed the different ways of flavoring kombucha, this is definitely one of my favorite ways to flavor kombucha. So we start off with 3 simple ingredients in the tea for butterfly. This is our normal kombucha blend of tea, which is black, green, a couple of herbs, and then we also have the butterfly pea flower, which is where we get the name, and lemongrass as well. Now this is the magic ingredient that creates the color. I've made many batches where the color is wrong, and it's the lemongrass that's gonna bring out that pretty purple color in the butterfly pea. Otherwise it's kind of like a blue and it gets kind of a muddy color. So this lemongrass is really important. So the recipe is basically for a 1 gallon batch, you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of your regular kombucha tea, you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of lemongrass tea, and then 3 tablespoons of the butterfly pea. Now butterfly pea is something that you can definitely order online easily. There's a lot of different vendors. I've recommended the one that I like because some of these teas come from far away, and what I really want you to do when you make butterfly kombucha is make sure you bring that tea to a boil and let it boil and just pasteurize and kill anything that may be coming from far away basically and ruining your kombucha. Anyway, so you just use this tea blend to brew kombucha like you normally would. I have the SCOBY here sitting in the starter, which is the purple butterfly kombucha, and that is super simple. You just add this in and follow the normal basic kombucha brewing instructions, and there you go. So once you get your tea blend put together, this is just like brewing any other normal basic batch of kombucha. But it's amazing what you can do with tea, with the flavor, and this is how we get the beautiful color. And this is the blend that everybody asks me about. How did you brew that? How did you make that? What is that special ingredient? So I'm really happy to be able to share that with you. Now, don't get intimidated though. You just use this tea blend and refer back to your basic kombucha recipe, which we kind of have in our other videos. So if you want to take a look at that again, that's fine. Or download the recipe when you sign up for the newsletter. So thanks for joining me again today. Just wanted to make sure that you follow me on social media. Send me pictures of your brews. I definitely want to share this journey with you and find out how your recipes are going. You may have a new one that you want to share with me, which would be awesome. And then any questions or anything I can help with, I would love to be a part of your kombucha mastering process. Don't get intimidated. We definitely have some recommended products on farmandculture.com just to keep it simple and keep you moving forward and just on to a healthy life.